go. Yes. Got it, I got it. Come on. Almost there. Finally, yes! Yes? Oh, yeah, come in. Come in. Oh, what you doing? I invited you here? When? Oh. Okay. Yeah, about an hour ago sounds right. Yes. Yes, I got lost in my game. I'm sorry. Oh, come on. You wanna join me? Haha. Alright, you wanna play a different game? I know this one is single player, so unless you wanna watch me or you take over, we need to find a different one. I can go for some of that. Some brawl. Come on. Alright, just need to save. Alrighty. Close out of the game. I gotta not see where I have this in my files. Well, of course it's not right up with the last few games I've played. I haven't played it since you were last here, which was last week? Oh, come on, I play a lot of games. You know this. I'm a weirdo. You're not a weirdo. I know. Alright. Ha, there you are. Get a controller for you. There we are. Haha. Just gotta load it up. What? Really? That character? Huh. Good luck. What? I mean, it's a good looking character, and it has a lot of good stuff to it, but come on. Really? This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, hey, leave me alone. This is my favorite character. Yes, that one's your favorite character too. I guess I'm being a hypocrite or a meanie, per se. But that's me. You know it. I'm only teasing. You know I love you. Of course. If I didn't love you, you wouldn't be here. Joking. Come on, let's play. So come on! How did you land that hit? You're so mean. I thought I was the mean one. Uh-huh. Showing your inner meanie, I see it. I see how it is. Ha! Take that, silly. Come on. did not just... Well then. Someone's not rusty. I know, I'm just playing. You have other people to play this with. You're the only one I play this with. So yes, I'm a little rusty. Just give me a little time. And I'll get your butt. I did it! Told you I would. That was not out of pure luck, that was out of skill. Okay, yes, I'm rusty, but I told you I'd get there. Okay, I was... Yeah. I know, well... Yeah, I suppose that was out of pure luck, since the platform moved, but... Hey. Knowing you, you'll get me next time. Next round. Yeah. Wanna switch characters? Eh? Cool with me. Choose a different platform. Ooh, I like that one. Good choice. Well, of course it's a good choice. It's my choice. Yes. Yes. I'm well aware. Alright. Round 2. Begin. Don't make fun of me. It's fun saying that. Get back here. Crap. Come on. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on, girl. You got this. Come on, come on. All off the map? Are you serious? That was a good hit, though. That's for sure. It was awesome. Alright. See if I can get some revenge. Oh, come on. It's fun saying it. I know, no, not actual revenge. Come on. Hey, I landed good on you. Don't laugh at me. My character's cute. That's the whole point. Well, not the whole point. Part of the point. Huh. Darn. See, I told you. I said you'd get me in the next round, and look at that. Nice job. That was great. Want to go for another round? Nah. Yeah? Huh? Alright. Let's see. You want to pick this one? Oh. You're gonna let me pick the platform this time? Hey. I gotta choose a good one. Let me take my time. Yes, I do gotta be a slowpoke about it. Gotta find the perfect one. Gotcha. Round 3. Begin. Hey, just accept it right now. Or, yeah, accept it. It's fun. You should try it. Come on. Come on, girl. You got this. Hey, you talk to your character too. Don't be mean. It's fun. As I say with everything's fun. Because it is. Let's go. Come on. A KO? Well, dang. Good on you. I am not gonna KO. That is for sure. And it's hard with this character. And with you moving around a bunch. Well, that's the point. I know. Come on. Aha! Gotcha! Yes, I know we have 4 lives, or whatever. I know we have more than 1 life. But I still got ya! You really are good at this. You really are. Yes, yes, take the compliments. I love you, babe. It was fun. Wanna go get some dinner now? Take a small break before we get back to it? Alright. Let's go.